geological monuments. We have the Chocolate Hills. The Chocolate Hills are a geological formation in the Bohol province of the Philippines. There are at least 1,260 hills, but there may be as many as 1,776 hills spread over an area of more than 50 square kilometers. They are covered in a green grass that turns brown during the dry season. The Chocolate Hills are a famous tourist attraction of Bohol. They are featured in the provincial flag and seal to symbolize the abundance of natural attractions in the province. They are in the Philippines Tourism Authority's list of tourist destinations in the Philippines. They have been declared the country's third national geological monument and proposed for inclusion in the UNESCO World Heritage List. Number 2, Taal Volcano. Taal Volcano is located on a small island about 65 miles south of Manila, the capital of the Philippines. While the Taal Volcano, it is one of the world's smallest volcanoes. It is the Philippines' second most active volcano. It has recorded at least 34 eruptions in the past 450 years. The Taal Volcano has had several violent eruptions in the past, causing deaths on the islands and the populated area surrounding the lake, with an overall death toll of about 6,000 because of its proximity to populated areas and its eruptive history. The volcano was designated a decade volcano, worthy of close study to prevent future natural disasters. Number 3, Montalban Cave in Rizal or Pamitinan Cave is a limestone cave in the foothills of the Sierra Madre mountain range near Wawa Dam in Rizal, the Philippines. It is located in the Pamitinan Protected Landscape in the barangay of San Rafael, municipality of Rodriguez. The cave was formerly known as the Cave of Bernardo Carpio. Its former name was derived from Bernardo Carpio, a figure in the Philippines mythology who was rebuked by the gods because of his insolence. Legend states that he was chained forever in the Montalban Gorge, cursed to keep two mountains from colliding with each other. Number 4, Sand Dunes of Ilocos Norte is one of the most visited spots in Lawag. This area estimated to be 85 square kilometers long coastal beach and desert area. Locally, the Lawag Sand Dunes goes by the name of Bantay Bimaboy because of its shape, which resembles that of pigs. Aside from that, it is also called the Desert of the North because of its popularity when it comes to shooting location for the famous films both inside and outside the country. The sand dunes are found in the coastal village of Barangay La Paz. The Lawag Sand Dunes forms a part of the Ilocos Norte Sand Dunes, which stretches from the town of Crimao, North Lawag to Pasquin, south of Lawag. The sand dunes of Ilocos were created by the interaction of the wind, sea, and river that together cause erosion and deposition. The size of the dunes varies depending on a number of factors, including the currents, weather conditions, nature of winds, amount of sediment, and type of vegetation in the area. Number 5, 100 Islands of Pangasinan. The 100 Islands National Park is located in the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan. The 123 islands are scattered northward along Lingayen Gulf and cover an area of about 1,860 hectares. They are believed to be about 2 million years old. Only 3 of them have been developed for tourists: Governor Island, Quezon Island, and Children's Island. To date, there are only 30 islets that were named with a total area of 970,606.15 square. The islands are actually ancient corals that extend well inland in an area previously comprising the seabed of an ancient sea. Lowering sea levels have exposed them to the surface, and the peculiar umbrella-like shapes of some of the islands have been caused by the eroding action of the ocean waves. The 100 Islands was officially declared a national park on January 8, 1940 during the time of President Manuel L. Quezon under Presidential Proclamation number 667 for the benefit and enjoyment of the people of the Philippines.